Hi, I'm Bonnie Kemke. Welcome to my studio and welcome to Quilting on a Thread. This is the 11th video in my series on the Color My World pattern by Wendy Williams. The link to this pattern is in the description of this video, and it's also going to appear in an information button up at the top of the video at least once, hopefully several times throughout the video. And you click on that and it will open up a card, and if you activate the card it will take you directly to the flying fish kits where you can buy Wendy's pattern directly from her website. So in this video, we're covering the second portion of Block 5, the roads. We've already done the inner road, and now we're going to be doing the outer road. Now for the inner road, I chose to use white for the stripes because I envisioned that as being your city streets. For the upper road, I am doing yellow for the stripe in the road, as I'm seeing that as my highways. You'll have 48 pieces with the road stripe in it, and you'll have 48 pieces without the road stripe in it. Now, the cutting out the pieces that have the road stripe in it is very similar to the inner road. You're going to have a piece of vellum, or if you choose to do as I have done, you'll have these pieces of the freezer paper. If it's freezer paper, you're going to iron it on. If it's the vellum, you're just going to hold it down and you're going to cut around it. This you'll iron down and cut around it. Either way, you're going to come out with 48 really perfectly sized pieces for your roadway. And then you'll have this arc of 6 elements of the roadway. And this arc is the size to fit perfectly on top of each one of your treetop elements of your two houses that are sistered together. My suggestion is to have several copies of this, at least 4 copies. Perhaps you'll need more. And that's to go all the way around your village of houses. So I'm going to get a piece or two of these of this arc done, and then I'm going to show you what it will look like over the tree so you can see that it's perfectly sized to go over the tree. And then later on in the video I'll bring you back when I have the whole ring done. Alright, so as you can see, I've got several of the pieces of roadway put together. These are not attached, they're just up here. So this is 4 pieces of roadway that have been sewn together. What they look like before they're sewn together is just this, just a small arc. And that's going to go ahead and rim this property. I think it's really great that this is a pattern that you can have such fun with and make different choices. I'm going to go ahead and continue on my roadway. The road is all together, and what I've done is pinned the road to the rest of the quilt. I'm not ready yet to sew it, but what I wanted to do was just get it started. And this is so much easier than the other sections have been. Part of that is the size in circumference that's being worked with, and part of it is that, of course, the roadway is much narrower than these houses were. And so what I've done is just at the seam between each of the 2 trees, then I've gone ahead and placed a pin and got that in there. I'm still going to need to go in and pin periodically on the rest of this, but honestly, I don't absolutely have to do that because this will stitch quite well as it is. So this is a lot easier, deceptively easier than the other 2 circular structures that have been pinned together. Here we are with that upper roadway sewn on, everything freshly starched again and laid out on my wall here. It's coming along very nicely, and Now I'm excited because the next thing that I'll be working on are those tall buildings. So this will be it for this video. I hope seeing some of the little tricks that I have to show you helps on your journey. I really hope you try this pattern. Wendy Williams pattern, Color My World, is really quite easy to do. It looks extremely complicated, but it's a piece of cake. It's very fun, and I love the colors. I love how vibrant it is. I can't wait to get on to the tall buildings. Hope to see you again here on Quilting on a Thread.